What's up, Toosters? And two bets. Boy, y'all see it. What year this thing again, Hamburger? 71. 71 Chevelle. They just got this thing finished up. Man, y'all know where we at, man. Y'all already know where we at. Y'all see it up there. Queen's Custom. Boy, they put the Volkswagen back together. I'm trying to talk them into some forges. See if I can put them some forges on here. Mr. Dennis ain't hearing it. They done put all the trim back on. Man, this thing got all new sheet metal from front to back. They painted it a nice metallic gray. Now they done got it all back together. Yeah, it's looking good. All new rubber. He threw the whole car away. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. We're gonna get them in the lab. Got my nice LS swap in here. What that is, Mr. Dennis?
6.0.
6.0. Oh, she should pull pretty strong. This is his ride, by the way. Tell the YouTubers about your vehicle if you don't mind. I don't need but 2 minutes.
71 Chevelle.
Mm-hmm.
We swapped a LS 6.0 in it. 4L80E transmission. Pushing them close to 450 horsepower.
Oh, shit, talk to know. How long you had this ride? Because I remember when I tried to buy it a few times when you came by the shop.
Since 2016. I brought it by here in 2017.
Mm-hmm.
The first time. That was after I put disc brakes on it.
I see that ride, man. That thing is super clean. What you plan on doing with it?
Drive the hell out of it.
Drive the hell out of it. I can dig it. Gray. I see you went with a metallic gray. What made you choose a gray?
It's charcoal, gray, metallic.
Out of all the colors, why gray?
I wanted something kind of light, but not too dark, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't want a solid black, but at nighttime it's just black.
Mm-hmm.
And in the sunlight, it shines like the dickens.
What we gonna do on the interior? Y'all see that thing needs some help.
I think we're gonna go with some red and black trim.
I dig it. I love some red. How much body work did they have to do to this thing? Because I thought it was a Volkswagen the first time I saw it.
They cut the tail end off of it, a full trunk pan, 2 quarter panels, 2 front fenders, the hood, inner wheel, fenders, front and back. It's got a new grill, all new chrome, new wheels.
So basically, you bought a Chevelle out the box.
It's a brand new 71 Chevelle.
Brand new 71 Chevelle. Oh, she clean too. Well, you know you got to fire it up.
I gotta do what?
You got the switch
Boy, nice and tight. My boy Hamburger beast on that body. God, tell him, Burger. Well, that's what you do, ain't it?
That's it.
That's what he do.
I ain't playing with him.
Man, say he ain't working no church shoes. You ain't catching him slipping. Hit that 6-0. Okay. Okay. Dennis ain't playing. Damn good. Who did the swap?
Who did the plumbing?
Who did the engine swap?
I did.
Bad man. And he got it down in there. He got a dual intake coming off the front. He got a filter over here. Check this out. And a filter over here. So it's sucking some air. Hey, she definitely running good. That's half the battle. Cool beans, man. Let me find my mask because he about to kill us in here. That's about that on that, man. That's the 71 Chevelle. What we gonna call this thing here? I guess we'll figure that out when I get in here and start laying some stitches in. Y'all see what shape it's in. Get it painted first, then bring it to me. That way they ain't got to worry about taking the door panels off and the trim off. Sand and dust, overspray. All that'll be eliminated if you do it this way. That's about that on that, man. Make sure y'all shout my boy at Queen's Customs out, man. Y'all need that paint and body work. He paint them, we stitch them. 803-979-2028. Get at my dog, man. Y'all see he working. He got a nut in the booth now. Straight like that. I'll be back in a minute.